where my feet go. Where do your feet go? Well, let's see where they go. Do you know where my feet go in the morning? One green sock, one purple sock, two yellow moon boots. Then straight out the door. But my feet don't walk a normal walk down a normal street. My feet go trampling through the thick jungle. My feet go climbing over tall mountains. My feet go tiptoeing across a creaking bridge. My feet go splashing in the ocean. What about in the afternoon? Do you know where my feet go then? My feet sit very, very quietly while I feed the little dinosaurs. Are those dinosaurs? Those are birds. Then my feet go higher and higher. My feet get tickled by the clouds. Wait just 1 second. Where did my feet go? There my feet go, shuffling through the desert, looking for a spot to build a castle. Do you know where my feet go at night? Before bed, my feet go underwater exploring. My feet go flying to the moon. And my feet go shooting for the stars. So where do you want to go next? I think my feet will go to some very magical places. Yeah. He had a busy day with feet, but at night, his feet went to sleep and dreamed beautiful dreams.